Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we are going to make Rajasthani style chicken bhuna. We will prepare it with a thick gravy by adding onion, tomato, curd and some spices. Just by looking at it you will feel like eating it. So let's start making it. So first of all we will marinate the chicken. So here I have taken half kg chicken and washed it. Now add 1 cup of curd, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon chicken masala powder and salt according to taste. Now we will add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, juice of 1 medium lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix all these spices well with the chicken and leave this chicken for 1 hour to marinate so that it gets tender easily while cooking. Because we are not going to make it in a pressure cooker, we are going to cook this in a pan, so it's important to marinate the chicken. The chicken and spices have been mixed well. Now we will leave this chicken for 1 hour to marinate. Here it has been 1 hour since we marinated the chicken, so now we will start cooking it. So here we will take 60 ml of oil in a pan. As soon as the oil gets hot, we will add whole garam masala to it. Here I have taken 2 dry red chillies, 8 to 10 black peppers, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 anise flower, 1 tablespoon cumin and 2 small green cardamoms. As soon as the spices crackle well in oil, we will add 6 medium-sized onion cut into slices. We will fry the onion on a medium to high flame for 5 to 6 minutes till they become light golden. We will not fry the onion too much, just fry them till they become translucent and a little light golden. So here onions are fried and ready. Now we will add the marinated chicken to it. First of all we will mix this chicken well with the onion and oil. And later we will let this chicken cook for about 10 minutes on a very slow flame, stirring it every now and then. For now we will cook this chicken without covering it, and there is no need to add water to it because we have added curd in it. So the water of curd will be released and this chicken and spices will keep cooking on a slow flame. Just be careful that this chicken shouldn't be stick to the bottom of the pan. So we will cook it by turning it at short intervals. After cooking for 10 minutes the chicken is well fried here. Now we will add dry spices to it again. So here I am adding 2 medium spoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt according to taste. Now we will add half a cup of water to cook these dry spices. Along with this we will add to 10 whole garlic cloves. And now we will mix all this well. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. If you want to make it more spicy then you can add red chilli powder as per your taste. So after mixing cover it and let it cook on a very slow flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring it in between so that the spices get fried properly. So here it has been 10 minutes since we are cooking the chicken with the spices. Now we will add fresh 2 tomatoes puree and a spoonful of ginger garlic paste. And again we will cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on a very slow flame so that the rawness of tomatoes goes away. So after cooking for 5 minutes with tomato puree, you can see that the spices have left the oil and the chicken has also been cooked well and has become tender. Now again we will fry this chicken on a medium-high flame for 2 minutes while continuously stirring it so that it gets roasted flavor. So you can see that the spices are getting stuck in the pan a little from the bottom. We will keep stirring it like this to not let it get completely stuck and fry this chicken for 2 minutes so that the spices get roasted flavor. So here the chicken and spices have been fried well. Now we will add half a cup of water to it. Half a tablespoon of garam masala powder and 2 spicy green chillies and a little coriander leaves. Now mix all this well and bring it to a boil. Add water according to the amount of gravy you want. We are making chicken bhuna here so we will not add much water to it. Just add as much water as is required to make a little gravy. You can also see how well the chicken has become tender and cooked. Now we will turn off the flame of the stove and cover it and leave it for 5 minutes so that all the rogan come to the top. So here the spicy and tangy Rajasthani style chicken bhuna is ready. Serve it with fresh wheat flour chapati and enjoy your Rajasthani style chicken bhuna. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.